Hello, today we're going to change the fuel filter on this Moto Guzzi 2001 California Stone. As you can see, we've already taken the tank off and the air filter box. We're doing it a bit differently this time, so we've got it all stripped down and we'll show you how to put it back together, because that would be the reverse of. So the fuel filter's tucked up in here, as you see. You'll need a 19mm spanner for there, 5mm Allen key for the clamp. I don't know if you can see that, can you, cameraman? And here, a 22mm and a 19 down there, and a screwdriver. But I'm going to try and take this off without having to take the fuel pipe off, because it's going to be a pain otherwise. So what I'll do is I'll loosen it off and then twist the filter off. So first of all, I'm going to take this bit off, because this pipe here is connected to a little vacuum piece that is on the tank. So you need 22mm on the filter itself, and 19mm on the banjo. There you go. It's quite tight, and you've got copper washers on there, and it comes with new washers. I'm going to take this one all the way off. This is a different setup to the rear end. So just be careful the washers on it. So just take that off there. I'm going to put the new washers on, so I'm going to pull that out there. That washer's stuck to there. We'll get it off in a second. So this one is 19mm on the filter itself, and then it's a 22mm fitted. I've not loosened the pipe off. I'm going to twist it that half a turn. Yeah, so that's gone. So I'm going to loosen that off, and then I'm going to spin the filter away from the thing, as opposed to twisting the pipe. Not really a good idea. I'm putting the 22mm on the union down in the pipe. I'll put another 22 on the end of the filter and just twist the filter and keep the pipe into place.
I thought that was my idea.
Don't get ideas up at your station, you're just a cameraman. It's rather tight. I've just released the securing bracket bolt, take that out, and it should just slide up through there like that. There you go. There's not a lot of petrol in there actually. So there it is. The new one hasn't got that bit on, but it's surrounded with rubber. So. Right, now we're going to put the new filter. It's got an arrow on it, direction of flow. So basically it goes on like that, so the arrow's heading towards the front of the bike. And you've got 4 washers they come with. There's 2 smaller diameter ID ones with a nice face on them, and you get these 2 like this. And one of these goes at the back, because it's a different size bolt, and the 2 other ones go at the front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this into place. Because I've still got the pipe connected, I'm going to leave the bracket free, and I'm going to start it like that, and then I'm going to put the bracket up inside. Let's get it in. So I hope we're going to be able to get that just to start. Yeah, so that's that started. Look, let's see it's going on there. We'll button it up best I can. So we managed to get the bolt in now. I'm not going to do it up tight, because I want it to be able to spin, because I've got to tighten this banjo down here. Got the 22mm out again. Just turn that. It feels tight. I mean, I did it quite tight by hand then. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get right down. I'm going to put the 19mm on there, cameraman, just to make sure it's tight. And you can see I've put the washers on there, you can see that. And, just get this started. I'm going to tighten up the bracket now to hold it, just stop it slipping. I'm happy with the position of the filter and the pipes. I've got to tighten up the front pipe onto the filter. It wants to be really tight, but not over tight. I don't know what torque sensor. Right, that's that done. So we've done the fuel filter now. In the next video we'll show you how to put all the tank back on. I am going to change the inlet rubbers because they were really perished. I'm going to balance it up, changing the air filter, changing the plug leads. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.